Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to wrap the text around your object. Here I have already one image ready and you can see the coffee cup here. I am going to wrap text around the coffee cup. So let's begin. First I need a text tool. From the text tool I bring one text tool and write down here one text. I am going to write Himalayan coffee. Okay, go to your move tool and move your text over the coffee, and here go to your text layer, right click on it and convert your text layer into the smart object. Okay, you can see the small icon here. This means that your text has been converted into the small object. So press Ctrl T to use the free transform on the text layer, or go to edit and select the free transform. Okay, your free transform has been selected. By holding the Ctrl key, position your text. Keep holding your Ctrl key, please. Keep holding my Ctrl key and reposition it. Okay, once you have repositioned your text, don't press the OK or Enter key yet. So before that, just right click inside it and select the warp. Okay, once you have selected the warp, you can see on the top the warp tools is activated. Here from warp costume change into the arc. Now you can see you have the text into the arc. So by holding the button in the middle, bring this one downward. Okay, now you can enter the OK button and okay, go back to your text layer again and then make it the create clipping marks. That's it. This is how you wrap the text around the object. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next time. Bye.